Good morning, good afternoon, good day, good evening, depending on when you watch this video. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've got another very unique radio from Jeff's collection. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. And we're going to do something a little different on this radio, and you'll see why. Here we go. Let me get this out of the way. So this is the ARVIN. There's a nameplate there on the bottom. Model G3-R58. And it's AM only. About 1963 vintage is Jeff's guess. Got a somewhat leatherish case with a nice carrying handle in excellent condition. This was a gift to him from one of his Facebook marketplace friends. He uses 6 C-cell batteries. And it does have a dial light. The switches are right here to turn the radio on and off, change the tone, and a momentary light switch to hold up, and the backlight comes on. Tuning knob over here, and since it's AM only, it has a built-in antenna and no telescopic antenna required. There's the back of it. It's kind of gotten a wood-like frame underneath this plastic, or not plastic, leatherish case. And now I'm going to show you why we're going to do this differently. I'm not going to power on the radio, and I'm going to try to show you why without doing any damage. Get to see the total. This thing's heavy. I'm struggling holding it up. So there's the internal guts. There's the tuning capacitor, the big medium wave antenna. And here is the thing I'm a little concerned about. And I'm going to try to, this is the holder for the batteries. And it's got a little strap that holds it in place. And I'm going to try to very carefully take it out without damaging it. And, oops, I think you can see right here, this is the top that kind of clips in place. And so it's got a clip here and a clip here. And this side, the black piece that holds the clip in, is already broken off. And this is, since it's so old, this plastic is probably pretty fragile. So I'm not going to attempt, I very gently tried to get this open and it would not come open easily. So I'm not going to attempt to open it and put batteries in this. Just too fragile. I don't want to break Jeff's radios. So we're not going to power it on. It's AM only. He says it's got good reception, so we're going to leave it at that. There's the internal guts again. Let's see if I can put this back in here without breaking anything. Well, I'll do that off camera because I don't want to break his radio. So that's it. Again, kind of a short video. Want to be careful. You know, this is not my radio, and that plastic looks kind of brittle. And if you break it off, then now you're going to have a problem keeping the batteries in because they'll be under tension. Spring-loaded batteries. That's it. I want to thank you for stopping by. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. And we only got a couple more radios from this batch of radios Jeff brought me. So we're finally getting caught up. And during COVID really put me back, having that COVID. I've gotten over most of my symptoms, except I'm still kind of weak. So after being up for about 3 hours and doing work around the house, I get pretty tired. Anyway, have a great day. Bye-bye.